Sydney.
And Megan.
And we're here with lab number 10.
10.
We're talking about wrapped foods and appetizers. And so we're going to teach you how to make dumplings today. You have the recipe, so let's get on with the video.
For ingredients, you'll need 12 ounces of cabbage, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a quarter cup of green onions, 2/3 pounds ground pork, an 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of soy, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 1 package of dumpling wrappers.
So we're going to go ahead and start off by cutting our cabbage really nice and small so that it fits into our filling. So here I am cutting the cabbage for as long as my patience will allow. And then we're going to go ahead and put our cabbage into a bowl. And we're going to put our salt into the cabbage and mix it up.
Alexa, set a cabbage timer for 15 minutes.
Cabbage timer, 15 minutes, starting now.
Meanwhile, we are going to grate our fresh ginger. And then we're going to go ahead and chop up our scallions. And here are all our prepared and pre-measured ingredients. So next we're going to go ahead and squeeze out our cabbage using a cheesecloth or a mesh bag. We didn't have cheesecloth, so we're using a mesh bag. You're going to go ahead and squeeze it really hard so that you can get out as much of the water as possible. And so now we're ready to create our filling. So we're going to go ahead and put in our cabbage, our grated ginger, scallions, white pepper, soy, sesame oil, rice wine, and we're going to go ahead and mash everything up. And here is our setup with our pre-made dumpling skins and filling. So we're going to start off with the dumpling fold. You're going to go ahead and put some filling in the middle. And we're going to go ahead and wet the entire rim of the wonton skin. Then we're going to pinch it in half, pinch the middle, and pleating just the front, we're going to give 2 pleats on each side, and we're going to go ahead and smush each side flat. So pleat number 1, pleat number 2, and squeeze it shut. And there you have it. That's just one dumpling, and we'll do another demo right now. So again, we're going to put the filling in the middle, wet the entire rim, fold it in half and pinch the middle, and plating just the front layer, plate twice on one side, pinch the whole side shut, plate twice on the other side, and pinch the whole side shut. And there you have it. Not that hard. Yay, dumplings. Alright, now we're going to teach you the tortellini fold, which is going to be slightly different. Same deal, filling in the middle, wet the whole rim. This time we're going to pinch together the entire outside, trying to get as much air out as possible. Then we're going to wet one corner and kind of fold it underneath itself. And then flip up the edge, and there you have a little tortellini. Kind of fun. And yay, here's our plate of dumplings.
Hey
Okay, everybody, it's an undisclosed amount of time later. And okay, we should explain. So
froze them.
we always freeze our dumplings because we make a lot of them. And we're listening to the Beatles right now. And we eat them as a snack. And so they've been frozen in this bag. And now we're going to put the frozen dumplings in the water. Oh, yeah. Megan.
Oops.
Alexa, set a timer for 6 minutes?
6 minutes,
Yay.
starting now.
In the
You
meantime, we'll make a sauce.
Yeah. Boil them for 6 minutes if they're frozen, 4 or 5 minutes if they're not frozen. Chinese red vinegar. We have a dark soy. So we're gonna go sploosh. Yes. Chili oil.
That's
Teeny tiny. Yay.
yay.
Give it a little mix. Taste it, Megan. Good?
Good.
Yay. It's very scientific. We're taking a slotted spoon and we're scooping them out. Oh, here's our little tortellini shaped one. See it? fashion.